Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Jaumo dating app. First of all, unlock your device, and if you're using an iPhone, open your App Store, or Android users, you can open the Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar, tap on it and type Jaumo dating app. You will see the Jaumo dating app appear in the search results. Click on it and then tap the install button. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. You will see open button, tap on it directly to launch the app. If you already have an account, you can log in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account. Just fill in all the information required from the app, like the email address, password, or phone number if required, and then tap on register. And there you go. You've successfully downloaded the Jaumo dating app on your smartphone. You are now ready to start meeting new people on this app, so happy dating. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next video.